So this is the Mavic 2 Zoom, and I truly love this drone. Even though it's a few years old, there's really nothing like it on the market. The thing that DJI replaced it with doesn't have the zoom capability that this drone has. So I still prefer this one. Of course, it's folded up really compact. You can check the battery level by just pushing the button. And you can probably tell that I've gotten some use out of this one. The blades are pretty beat up. I've even crashed it a few times, but still runs great. Here's the controller as well. As you can tell, it is also very compact. In fact, if you want it even more compact, you can even take these knobs off and you can store them inside the controller right here. But of course, to fly, you'll want to have those knobs on there. It'll hook up to your phone via a connector, and it comes with several different kinds of connectors, so it'll certainly connect to your phone. To check the battery level on the controller, you just push the button once, and right now my battery's at 62%. A full charge of the drone's battery should give you about 30 minutes of flight time, whereas a full charge of the controller's battery should last a lot longer. You'll probably get 2 or 3 flight times out of a full charge of the controller's battery. So, to connect your phone, you just line it up, stick it in. Of course, you want to extend the antennas to fly. If you're flying straight above you, you want the antennas facing this way, but if you're flying around, you probably want the antennas facing up. To open the drone, you're just going to pull the wings out like this, and the bottom ones come out like this. You want to open up the propellers, and then to turn it on, you're going to tap it once and then hold it. You'll do the same thing with the controller. If your phone is on when you turn on the controller, it should automatically open the app. Then you just click Go Fly. The LCD gives you all kinds of information, from the battery life of the drone, to the battery life of the controller, how far away your drone is from the controller, and how high your drone is in the sky. Of course, on the phone itself, you can see what the drone's camera sees, and that also gives you a whole bunch of information as well. This, of course, is where you'll adjust the zoom. You can do 4K, slow-mo, or anything in between. We're just going to stick with 1080p, 30 frames per second for now. Let's take it for a fly. And here we go.
Take off.
So this is what you see on your phone as you fly, and of course you have all sorts of settings and intelligent flight modes you can select. And here's the footage recorded by the drone. I've taken this drone all over the place, both in and outside the United States, and it's given me tons of great footage. I truly can't even imagine at this point going on a beach or tropical vacation without this thing. It's smart, durable, and produces absolutely stunning video. I highly recommend it. There's a link in the description. If you order through that, I get a small commission. I would greatly appreciate it.